You got two of them. Hmm? There's two. You got them both?
Both caught him. One swimming towards you.
I see it.
On the outside of
Goes out the outside of Mojo. I'm gonna pop him. He's right there in the middle of it. I don't want to shoot all my fucking Mojos. I only saw one, but there's two there.
saying I couldn't see that other one.
See his head poking up, bobbing. Out front, out front, out front, out front. Let them circle, they're coming around. More behind us, they're coming around, over your head, over your head, over your head. Take them. I got one. You got a group of 20 landed behind us too. Alright. You ready? Take them. Yeah, fuck, we suck. I say a group of like 20 came right behind us. Did you get one? Alright. Lost him. Yep, still coming around. Right over us, to our back. Right over to your left. Coming in, coming in. In the decoys, in the decoys. My gun jammed. Out front too. Did you get one? No. I got one in the decoys. Damn. We should be. We should be. I was picking out my Drakes though. What is that? The noise. I got one right here. I got one that landed right next to us. That flew overhead.
No, at least 3 or 4 I got.
Hmm? Where? Oh, I see him. Two. Coming back around. Coming back around dead at us. Dead at you, dead at you. Right in the left. Right in front of the boat. My gun jammed for the first time. Earlier. On that big group.
Yeah.
It wouldn't pull the shell out.
Was it the first one?
It was the second. The second one wouldn't pull out. It shot once and then it wouldn't pull. It was halfway. Right out front, right out front, right out front, right out front, right out front. Nice shot, nice shot. Here I go. Coming back around. Don't move. Don't move. They're right overhead. Take them. They're landing. Let the other one come back around. You can take them both. We'll take them. You got the one in the water? Take it. That one's crippled. One, you see the Mojo flapper?
Yeah.
Right up front, above your head, above your head. Oh! Those guys came across at the same time. That was going to be cool to see. You see that one just dive out of nowhere?
Yeah.
Completely, like, dove out of my where I was shooting. And then crossed me up, having one come across the other direction.
There's up high now, straight up.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Should have waited.
Yep. That's what the problem is when you start.
7:04.
Out front, out front, out front. Sure.
Too much carnage.
They come back again, take them. Which one? You will? Okay. Go for it. So you shoot them going up. You got them?
Go.
Watch them pop back up. Oh, you got him. He ain't moving. Yep. There's two.
Yep.
You got them both?
Both got them. One swimming towards you.
I
It
see
goes
it.
on the outside.
Goes out the outside of the Mojo. Out front, out front, out front, out front. Let them circle, they're coming around. More behind us, they're coming around, over your head, over your head, over your head. I got one.
I got one there.
Did you get one?
Yeah, he's wounded.
Where? I got one that looked like it was dead. Overhead to our right, Dad. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Dad, sit down.
To the left.
You got a group of 20 behind us. You got a group of 20 landed behind us, too.
Right in your face here.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, probably so. I say a group of like 20 came right behind us. Did you get one?
There's one on the water here. Got him.
All right. What was that, 4?
Yep.
Mine said teal coming our way. I think that was the teal we just shot at. Overhead, fuck. Right at your head.
Coming around.
Lost him.
You still got him?
Yep, still coming around. Right over to our back. Right over to your left. Coming in, coming in. In the decoys, in the decoys.
Damn it.
My gun jammed.